Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to share TikTok video to TikTok friends. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. So first of all, open your TikTok application.
Also, recently I need to share a video file to my fellow creators. लोगों से मुलाकात इस सफर में एक बार
So we have opened our TikTok. So at the fourth option there is a arrow sign on the screen. You will simply tap on this arrow which is of share option. So you will scroll it and here is the option of TikTok friends. You will simply tap on TikTok friends. So you will select your one of the friend that you want to send this video. So we will simply tap on it and simply send. So this video has been sent to Mia Khan. So you will come to your inbox. So this video has been shared to TikTok friend. So this was the process of sharing the video on TikTok to TikTok friends. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.